Hello and welcome back to Hodl My Seed. In this video, I will demonstrate how to install the Nami Wallet on Chrome. Nami is a browser-based wallet and extension which is used to interact with the Cardano blockchain. It allows to store and send multiple assets. You can delegate to stake pools, mint, basically very similar in functionality to a lot of other browser-based wallets like MetaMask, for instance. This video is made for someone who's been in the crypto space for a little while and would like to explore other DeFi opportunities which are available on the Cardano blockchain. So let's assume you have some Cardano at an exchange like Coinbase. You would then need to transfer that Cardano from Coinbase to a Cardano wallet like Nami in order to really dive into what the Cardano blockchain has to offer. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Nami Wallet on Google Chrome. So let's get started here. Step one, you're going to install the Nami Wallet extension. So visit the website namiwallet.io. I'm going to assume you know how to install a Chrome plugin, so I'm going to go through this process very fast. So we'll take you to the Chrome store, click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and it will take a couple of moments to install the plugin, and there it's already done. And I am just going to pin it so I can access it very easily from right here. And that's it. Very simple and easy process. Now, since this is your first time, you're going to click on New Wallet. Accept the terms of use. And now this is important. You'll get a little pop-up with your seed phrase. Now, this is very, very important. These 24 words are the only way you can recover your account if you were to get a new computer or damage your computer, or you had to reformat your computer, or you want somebody else to have access to your funds. These 24 words are the only way you can gain access to your account ever again. So it's very important that you don't store them on your computer online. So write it down on a piece of paper, or a couple of pieces of paper, and store it somewhere very safe. I'll check that I've stored the seed phrase in a secure place and hit next. It'll ask me to confirm this. Now, I know my words, so I'm just going to type it down over here. This is the only way I can access my account if I were to lose my account. There we go. And I hit next and my account's set up. So I'm going to call this Cardano Wallet. I'm going to set up a password, create. Successfully created wallet. And now we are ready to use the wallet. It's already set up. As you can see, this is the Cardano wallet. As you can see, it's a very simple process, only takes a minute or two, and that's pretty much it. In the next step, I'll do a quick walkthrough of the wallet, and I will show you how to deposit funds into this wallet. So the Nami wallet works like any other browser-based wallet, like MetaMask, for instance, or Phantom wallet. At the top right-hand corner, you have an icon that allows you to access your settings or to connect a hardware wallet and such. Over here, we have an icon that shows you your assets. So if you had any Cardano, it would show up under this tab. The middle icon shows you your collectibles. So if you had any NFTs, it would show up right over here. Finally, the last one shows your recent transactions on this wallet. Very simple. So now, since this is your first time, you want to deposit some funds in here. So you'd want to click on Receive. And this will bring up a small pop-up and it will show you your address. So this is your public address. So if you were to withdraw funds from Coinbase or Binance, say you went into Binance and you go to withdraw, you would need to paste an address in there, and the address would be whatever shows up on your wallet. So you would just take that and paste it on there, and it would look like a series of characters, something like this. And you would click on withdraw and it would show up, you know, in 15 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on how fast the exchange processes. Relatively simple to use, and you would see your balance update shortly after the transfer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do subscribe and like this video. It does motivate us to create more amazing content for you guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.